Okay, so I'm going to be replacing this water valve here today. I ordered the part. This is the part that I need to replace with. 12 or 13 years old machine, and the cold water valve is not working. So I'm going to have to replace the whole thing. I ordered the parts at about $15 from Walmart, and I already opened the machine. It's pretty easy to open. When I put it together, I'll share the video with you, but for now I will unplug this. So here it is. Once you unplug it, this is how it's gonna look. Bottom one is the hot water, top one is the cold water. Red is hot, cold is clear or white. Now I need to take this out. There's a screw in the back. Obviously I need to disconnect the hose. I'll do that and unscrew it so I can take this out. Take this thing out. Okay, so with the screw off and the hose disconnected, I could just simply pull it out. Okay. Next thing I have to do is take this this part out. This is the hose that actually fills the washer. Okay, so I'm gonna disconnect that now. So this is the old part. That's out now. I'm going to put that aside and open this new one that I ordered online. Make sure everything looks the same. In this case it does. I don't know if... Okay, yeah, this is fine. So what I have to do is, I just want to make sure this is the right part. And it's not. Okay, and it's not. See how I have a screw hole on the old one? This one doesn't, right? It's missing this part on the new one. So let's see if it connects somehow. If not, then I have to get a replacement. Okay, so I got lucky and I found this bolt, small one, tiny skinny one, right? And luckily there's a hole on the back of the washer, and there's actually a bunch of holes in the valve. So I think one of these can be used. To tighten this. All right, let's see how it works. I'm gonna try to put this in here and tie it like this, see if it works. Okay, I was able to fit that. Yes, the screw is kind of long, but it's secured. It moves a little bit, but once you connect the water hose, you don't really look at the back, or usually it stays intact. So I think we'll be okay. So I'm gonna plug the wires and test it out. Okay, with hose here connected, wires plugged in, main water hose connected, I'm gonna install the cover and connect these wires to test it out. So once you connect the once you align the cover or the casing. It just simply sits, and then you will need to connect these wires. Make sure you're unplugged. Make sure you're not plugged into the power source. Connect this. We'll test it. All plugged in. As you can see, just bring the control back this way. And before I close it completely and screw everything, I'm going to test it. Turn on the water. Cold, hot. Cold is the one that wasn't working before. Okay, they're fully turned on. Just want to make sure nothing is leaking there. And nothing is. I'm going to turn it on. Let's see. Hot, warm. Oh, look at that. Good. Cold. Oh. Nice. So everything seems to be working. Turn it off and just screw everything back. All set. I'll share another video where it shows how to take this cover off and put it back on. I didn't get a good video of that, so I'm going to share the video that has, it's not my video, it's someone else's video, and that's how I was able to open it. So follow that video when you're opening the machine.